If it works out, then I'm happy. So here, live in a relationship with God. What relationship is up to us. The scriptures have given us some definitions. Anjaneya, Dasa, servant. So Dasya. Who is this?
Krishna.
Prahalada.
Oh, Prahalada. Okay, sorry.
His father tried all kinds of things to kill him. What did Prahalada do? He was always calm. Do we see him creating tantrums, shouting, getting angry? No, he's always calm. So Shanta. Shanta Bhava. To regard God as peace. That is one relationship. We see Sudama and Krishna. Sakhya Bhava. To regard God as a friend. Some people may not like to think of God as superior, I am inferior. For me, I keep on talking to God like my friend. Since I was small, I used to keep on talking. So all the time now, whatever thought comes into my mind, I am having a dialogue with God inside. He is my friend, he is inside. I don't have to hide anything from him. Everything I talk to him. Every thought is a conversation. Slowly, if we keep doing that, you hear him responding also. So Sakhya Bhava, like a friend, like a child. Yashoda treated Krishna like her son. Then, like a brother, Bharata and Rama. Radha and Krishna, like a beloved. You can think of God like a mother, like a father. Any relationship, whatever is your predominant quality, just get into a relationship with God all through the day. Now and then keep on talking, have a dialogue with God. Don't wait to go into the puja room, don't wait to go into the church, mosque, temple. All the time have a dialogue with God in some particular relationship. The same relationship keep nurturing. We nurture all our relationships, but we have forgotten the most important. So, this is the fifth connector.
Yeah. Can you re-explain this? I want to understand this one.
Should I say it in Kannada?
The bhava.
English is fine.
Bhava.
See, it is an emotion.
Okay.
The emotion called love has many expressions. Now, if I go home, my daughter will call me Amma. My mother will call me Papu Baili. I'm so big, but for her still I am Papu. My husband will say, Vani, come here. Then my gardener will come, Amma, idonchuri gida cut madlo bedvo. So to so many people, I am the same, right? But I have so many different relationships. All are cordial. All are expressions of my love only. So in the same way, what is the predominant emotion inside me? When I think of God, sometimes I may think of God as a father or a parent or a mother. That may be predominantly the way I think of him. Or as a friend. Or as an enemy also is there, I have not put it here. That is also recognized by the scripture.
Ravana Rama.
Vaira Bhava.
Ravana.
And that is supposed to be a very fast track to go to God. But you are missing all the deliciousness of the relationship. You are all the time in fighting mode. So I put only the sweet modes of relationship.
Both Ravana and Duryodhana went to Swarga.
They went to Swarga because all the time they were thinking of God. Even though with the feeling of hatred, they were thinking of God. So what this bhava will do?
How they think about God?
One minute, I'll just tell you. What this does is it gives you focus. Suppose you fall in love with a girl. I don't know whether you are married or not.
Right.
So when you got engaged to your wife, let us say, did somebody come with a big rod and say, hey, think, what's your wife's name?
Ruchi.
Ruchi, okay. Hey, think about Ruchi. Did somebody force you?
What did mom think?
All the time you were thinking about Ruchi, no?
Yes,
It was giving you a lot
Ruchi,
of
is it?
to think about.
Ruchi, come on, how come you are a cook and she's Ruchi? Oh my God, there is some divine plan in your life.
Yeah, he's a 5-star hotel chef. So match made in heaven.
What's your daughter's name?
Vishalaji.
Oh, thank God.
So nobody forced you. Automatically, because you love her, you are thinking of her, your mind was focused on her without any effort. Now all these 6 connectors we are talking about are effortless connectors. Something which takes a lot of effort, you will not continue for a long time. Correct? It is difficult for you